Welcome to the Vidya College of Nursing, a place where excellence intertwines with compassion. Here at Vidya, we're all about providing top-tier education in the field of nursing. We focus on both theoretical knowledge and practical skills, molding our students into competent, empathetic nurses, ready to make their mark in the healthcare world. One of our students shares, "The hands-on experience we receive here is invaluable. It's not just about learning from the books, it's about applying that knowledge in real-world scenarios." A faculty member adds, "Our dedicated faculty members make sure students receive personalized attention and guidance throughout their journey at Vidya College of Nursing." Nestled in the scenic landscape of Angara, Ranchi, Jharkhand, our campus creates the ideal environment for learning and personal growth. Outside the classroom, our students take an active role in community outreach programs, gaining invaluable experience and making a positive impact on society. An alumna recollects, "Vidya College of Nursing equipped me with the skills and confidence to excel in my nursing career. I am forever grateful for the education and support I received here." For those of you who are passionate about nursing and are searching for a reputable institution to jumpstart your career, Vidya College of Nursing is the place to be. Visit our website at www.vidyacollege.com or call us at +91 70701 28556 to learn more. Embark on a rewarding journey towards becoming a skilled healthcare professional with us at Vidya College of Nursing.